Welcome students. The students of Sri P.B. Patil Madhyamik Vidyalaya Muda Taluka Budalgad are presenting an activity about mini school demo. It is presented by 10th C students and Mrs. Mahajan Madam has guided them. So, my friends, let's see an activity.
We are prepared this week before lockdown, but we have not time to get present because of corona situation. Today, the class of 10C is going to present the mini school demo. In this act, Vidhavar is playing principal role. Aditi and Harshad are playing teacher's role. And Devraj and Sushant are playing clerk's role. Remaining are students. And Snehal is newcomer in this school. I request my friends to begin.
Namita, have you any work with clerk?
Yes, I want my register number. Will you come with me?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, what can I do for you?
Sir, I want my learning certificate.
In which standard do you learn?
I learn in 10th standard.
Okay. What purpose do you want doing certificate?
Sir, my father is working in State Bank of India and he has been transferred in Pune branch.
Okay, this is a good news. You all are shifting to Pune?
Yes, sir, I will take admission for 11th in Pune.
It's okay. Yogita, can you tell me your full name and register number, please?
Sure, sir, my full name is Yogita Viras Patil and my register number is 3434.
Okay, come tomorrow. I will keep your certificate ready.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
It's okay. You are welcome.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, what can I do for you?
Sir, I want my register number.
In which standard do you learn?
I learn in 10th standard.
Okay, I already given your register number to your class teacher.
Yesterday I was absent, sir.
Okay. Don't be nervous. Here is your register number. 1441.
Okay, thank you, sir. Have a good day.
It's okay. You are welcome.
Hi, good morning. Hi, good morning. Hi, good morning. What is your name? My name is Neha. And what is your name? My name is Pranali. Oh, it's nice to meet you. Where do you live? I live at Sarkar Colony. What about you? I live at Augusta Manes Hospital. Oh, Snehal, what is your father? My father is postman. And what is your father? My father is farmer. And my mother is teacher. Oh, my mother is nurse in government hospital.
Have you any brother or sister?
Yes, I have a brother and a sister. And what about you?
I have brother. He learn in 8th standard.
Oh, good. Will you be my friend?
Yes, of course.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. What can I do for you?
Sir, I want Bonafide certificate.
For what purpose do you want Bonafide certificate?
Sir, I have lost my ST pass and I want to get new pass.
Okay. Tell me your register number, please.
4142, sir.
Srushti, here you are.
Thank you very much, sir. Have a good
It's
day.
okay. It's my duty.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, my class.
How are you, teacher?
I'm fine. And how are you?
We are fine, teacher.
Okay, sit down. Thank you, teacher.
Let me take your presenting. Please keep quiet. Sri Prasad, Adarsh, Ashwini,
Present, madam.
Aditi Patil,
Present, ma'am.
Srushti,
Present, ma'am.
Jyoti, Aditya Farakte, Atharva. Okay. Class, I am checking your yesterday's homework. Please open your English notebooks.
May I come in, madam?
Jyoti, why are you late and why do you break into sweat?
Sorry ma'am, my mother is ill and I have to take her to the doctor.
What is suffering from?
Ma'am, she has fever and cold.
But when is your papa? Why did not he take her to the doctor?
Ma'am, he has gone to Mumbai for his office work.
Okay, come in the class.
Thank you ma'am.
How is your mother feeling now?
Ma'am, the doctor has advised her to take bed rest for 2 days.
Okay, don't worry. Take care of your mother.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sit down.
Excuse me, madam. May I come in?
Why are you late again, Aditya?
Sorry, madam. I started to school in time.
But what happened on the way?
I was coming to school, then I saw a blind man crossing the road.
Did you help him?
Yes, ma'am. I helped him to crossing the road, but he requested me to take him his house, so I got late for school.
Okay, come in the class. You have a good deed. Class, give him a big hand for Aditya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sit down.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, student. Excuse me. I had some work with principal, so I am late. Sit down, please.
Thank you, teacher.
Let me take your present tea. Namita,
Present teacher.
Deepali,
Present teacher.
Snehal,
Present teacher.
Pranali,
Present teacher.
Shruti,
Present teacher.
Yogita,
Present teacher.
Dayali,
Present teacher.
Shreyash, Girish,
Present teacher.
Prathamesh.
Present teacher.
Okay. Class, have you completed yesterday's homework?
Yes, teacher.
Let me check it. Shruti,
Yes, teacher.
have you got duplicate mark sheet of last year?
No, teacher. May I go?
Yes, you can go.
अरे थांब एवढं नको
Morning, teacher.
Good morning. What can I do for you?
Sir, I want a duplicate mark sheet of last year.
What happened with the original one?
It's got wet in the rain in my house.
Okay. Please tell me your full name and last year standard.
My name is Shruti Shahji Parikh. Last year I was learning in 9th standard.
Okay. Fill this form for demanding duplicate mark sheet.
Okay, sir, here is the form.
Let me take the signature of principal. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please come in.
This is the form for demanding duplicate mark sheet. Please sign here.
Okay.
Thank you, madam.
It's okay.
Shruti, take it.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, it's my duty.
May I come in, teacher?
Yes, come in.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Deepali, what do you want?
Sir, next week there is a marriage ceremony at my home. I want 2 days leave.
When do you want leave?
On Tuesday and Wednesday.
Have you completed all the homework?
Yes, sir. I have completed my all homework and group leader had checked my homework.
What about your study in these 2 days?
I will complete my study with the help of my friends.
Okay then, give leave application your parents' signature.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Sit down.
Sahil, come here and call Aditi madam.
Yes? Okay. Class, I am going to principal office. Please keep quiet and read the 6th lesson.
Hi Shwini, what are you doing?
Hey Aditi, since long time, haven't you seen? Where were you?
I was spending summer holidays at Sham uncle at Kudar.
Oh, very nice. How is Sham uncle and Radha auntie?
They are very much fine. Me and my brother enjoyed there very much.
What is anything special?
Ashwini, I have an invitation for you.
What's about it?
There is Pirova Yatra in our village. I wish you and your little brother will come to our home for Yatra.
On what day is it?
On Sunday in the next week.
Oh, sure. There is holiday to our class also. So I can come.
Okay.
Chaitrali,
Yes, teacher.
do you give information about our project to headmistress?
No, teacher. May I go?
Yes,
May I come in?
Yes, please come in.
Good morning, ma'am. Are you busy?
No, I am not busy in my work.
Okay, ma'am. Myself, Chaitrali from Standard 10C.
Okay, what's bringing here?
Ma'am, there is a one inauguration program of SCHS project in our class.
What is this project?
Seeing eyes, helping hands, our student will be search them needy people in their society and they will be help them in their need.
Very nice idea. What can I do for you?
Ma'am, I wish you will be chief guest and inaugural of the program.
When the program is held?
Next week on Tuesday, ma'am,
At what time it is arranged?
at 9 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, I will attend the program.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
It's my pleasure. Have a nice day.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in.
Sir, I gave information to headmistress.
Very good. Sit down.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Girish.
Sir, I have one request for you.
Yes, what is it?
Sir, next week there is a Jatra at my village.
Oh, very good.
Sir, my father has invited you for Jatra
On what day is it held?
on 22nd Sunday.
It's okay, but I have extra classes for 10th standard in the morning.
No problem, sir. You can come in the evening.
Okay, then I will come.
Thank you, sir.
Sit down.
Students, class is over. Okay, completed your today's homework. See you tomorrow.